Okay, we're going to play a little bit with a photo resistor. What that means is I have a resistor here that is a variable resistor because at the top is a little photocell that measures how much light is coming in and out, and it varies its resistance based on that. So first I'm going to get an LED plugged into my breadboard. Okay, my orange is ground and my yellow is power. So I've got a nice bright LED plugged into my breadboard. I'm going to remove my ground and I'm going to replace it with my photoresistor. So it's not as bright, it's already doing some resisting, and when I cover my finger over it, you can see a little bit here that it gets darker. Where this photoresistor really shines though, no pun intended, is on my 555 circuit with my sound. So let's get everything moved over to there. Here's my 555 circuit. I have two 470 ohm resistors and a 220 microfarad capacitor. I'm going to replace one of my resistors with my photoresistor so we can see how this impacts the speed of the light first of all. Now if I cover that up, it notably goes slower and faster. So that's fun. Now I'm going to replace my 220 capacitor with my 0.1 microfarad capacitor. And of course nothing's really going to happen with our light because it's going on and off too fast. So I'm going to replace my light with my speaker. So hopefully you can hear that. And there we have it. So play with your photoresistor in combination with different capacitors and resistors and see what cool noises you can make.